Rose-colored glasses, take one.
Hi, I'm Dana,
And I'm Angel.
and you're watching Rose-Colored Glasses with Lord and Lady Logan.
In a world where people are quick to talk about the things they dislike, we want to keep it positive. So we'll be individually and collectively telling you about all the things we do like.
We hope you enjoy the show.
And if you do, please hit the subscribe button, tell your friends, and come back again. Hi everyone, I'm Angel Logan.
And I'm Dana Logan.
Thank you for joining us today on Rose-Colored Glasses with Lord and Lady Logan. Dana and I are definitely TV watchers. We might not have a lot of flexibility in our schedules to watch our shows when they air, but our DVR records everything for us so we can see our shows together later in the evening when we're both done working.
We watch all types of movies and TV shows, from dramas, action series, and comedies to reality shows, which include one of our favorites, cooking shows.
Some of the cooking shows feature contestants competing in the blind taste test to see whose palate is the best.
This made us want to try a blind taste test of our own, just to see how we could rate against the professionals and each other. This could get interesting. We have a few tips for you in case you decide to try a taste test of your own. First, you should chop the food to small bits, making it hard to figure out what it is by the texture.
Then, we suggest using plastic mini sampler cups with lids that are often used for condiments or jello. This will help you to portion out the right amount for your taste test, and then secure them with lids until you're ready to begin.
Also, make sure that no one participating has any food allergies. We're going to begin with 10 different food items from sweet to savory flavors. May the best palate win.
Okay, putting on my blindfold.
This is going to be the first ingredient. Okay, you ready? Open up. And the answer is?
I think this is tuna.
You are correct.
It's different without mayonnaise mixed in.
Here's ingredient number 2.
Hold on, I need to swallow ingredient number 1. Okay.
Here it comes, ingredient number 2. A little wider.
It's pineapple.
Okay. 2. Ingredient number 3. Open.
That's pear.
Yeah, doing really well there, honey. 3 for 3 so far. So ingredient number 4. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Cucumber.
Very good. So this will be ingredient number 5. Open.
Ham.
Yep. Going to town here, honey. Ingredient number 6. Ready?
Oh, this is disgusting. This is pickles.
Yeah. So this is ingredient number 7. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Peaches.
Yep. So ingredient number 8. You ready?
Ready. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Here you go. Number 9. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Chicken.
You are correct. And the last ingredient? You ready?
Okay, ready.
Open.
Turkey.
10 for 10, honey. You got them all right.
Yay.
All right, it's my turn to put on the glasses.
Wow, honey, purple's really your color.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to start with an ingredient. Okay, so this is ingredient number 1. Are you ready? Open wide.
Pineapple?
Yep, you got that one right. Okay. All right, here comes ingredient number 2. Open wide.
The apple?
Mm-hmm. Very good, honey. Let's try something else here. This is going to be ingredient number 3.
1 second.
3. Oh, 2, 1. Here it
Rocket
comes.
chair coming. Yeah.
Woo! Here it is.
And?
You got it.
Oh my god.
I can't believe you got it. Okay. All right, ingredient number 4. You ready? Open wide.
Oh, that's pickle.
Yeah, but you like pickles.
I do.
Okay, well that one was easy.
It's gonna kill my palate for the rest of it.
Okay, so here is ingredient number 5. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Is that tuna?
No,
No.
you missed one.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay. Let's try ingredient number 6. You ready? Open wide.
Cucumber?
Yes. Okay. All right, 4 more ingredients left. Okay, you ready? Open wide.
That turkey?
Yes. Doing good, honey. All right. Okay, here comes the 8th ingredient. Open wide. don't like it. That's a beautiful face for the camera.
Is that a peach?
That's peach. You got it.
Ugh.
Was that my pickle face? Okay.
Like peaches.
Okay. Ready? Open wide.
Oh, now I feel it.
Okay, you got that right. Let me just have one more. Are you ready? Okay.
Well, that's pear, right?
That's pear. Okay. Okay, in this segment, we'll be doing a side-by-side taste comparison to see who can tell the difference between the major brands and the store brands. So, open wide. Now this is peanut butter. Okay, did you taste it really well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna try the second peanut butter.
The second peanut butter is the major brand, and the first one was the store brand.
Okay, Dana got that right.
Ooh.
Okay, so now we're going to test the pasta sauce. One is the store brand, and one is the major brand. You ready?
Sure.
Okay. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
The first one was the store brand. The second one was a major.
You missed. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. So the next one's going to be a little easier. We're going to be testing the major brand cola and the store brand cola. So here, you drink this one down. Got it?
Good.
Okay, and here is the second one.
The first one was the major brand. The second one was the store brand.
Wow, you missed that one too, honey. Okay, so now the final one are the major brand water and the store brand bottled water. Okay, got it? right, and here's the final one for you.
Okay, I'm gonna say the first one was the store brand and the second one was the major brand.
Got that right.
That was
Okay,
it, right?
That was it.
Okay. So the first up is peanut butter. You ready?
Yes.
Open up.
I'm scared. Okay.
You ready?
Mhm.
Open up.
Okay, the first one was a store brand and the first one was a major brand and the second one was the store brand.
You are wrong, honey.
No!
You're a peanut butter connoisseur.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
All right, the next one is going to be pasta sauce.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay. Okay.
Open up.
Okay, the first one was the major brand and the second one was the store brand.
You are correct. So the next one is going to be the water. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Ready? There you go.
First one was the major brand, second one was the store brand.
Oh, you are wrong. again.
No!
We both got that one wrong. All right. Last one is the sodas. The cola. Sorry. You ready?
Okay.
First one.
Okay.
Here's the second one.
Second one is the major brand and the first one was the store brand.
You are correct, honey.
Oh, okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
There you have it. The results are in and it turns out that Angel has the better palette. She is declared the official winner.
Well, I may have won this challenge, but you weren't very far behind me. I think you have a pretty strong palette too. We may have to have a rematch later to give you a chance to beat me. I'm down for it if you are.
Sounds good.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And we hope that you will visit us again to take a look through our rose-colored glasses.
Until next time,